Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Cooking whole fish unlocks incredible flavor and moisture that fillets just can't match, creating a truly superior taste experience. It's surprisingly simple, even for beginner cooks, and the presentation on a platter always looks incredibly impressive. You'll enjoy a much more flavorful, tender, and less dry result every single time you prepare it this way. This method ensures the fish stays wonderfully moist, absorbing all the natural goodness and becoming an unforgettable meal. Always start by rinsing your whole fish thoroughly under cold, running water inside and out to ensure it's perfectly clean. Next, make 3 to 4 shallow diagonal scores on each side of the fish, cutting just through the skin, not deep into the flesh. These precise cuts are crucial because they help your seasonings penetrate deeply into the meat. They also ensure the fish cooks evenly throughout, preventing any uncooked spots and delivering a beautifully done result. For incredible flavor, generously stuff the fish's cavity with aromatic ingredients like vibrant lemon slices, fresh herb sprigs such as dill or parsley, and whole smashed garlic cloves. Then, rub the entire fish, both inside and out, with a good quality olive oil, plenty of sea salt, and freshly ground black pepper. Crucially, work some of that seasoning directly into the diagonal scores you made earlier. This simple step ensures every bite is bursting with delightful taste. Preheat your oven to a hot 200 degrees Celsius, which is 400 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring it's fully ready for your fish. Place your beautifully seasoned whole fish on a parchment-lined baking sheet to prevent sticking, perhaps adding some cherry tomatoes or asparagus alongside. Bake it for 10 to 20 minutes, depending on its size and thickness. The fish is perfectly cooked when the flesh easily flakes with a fork at its thickest part, guaranteeing a tender and moist result. Present your perfectly cooked whole fish directly on a beautiful platter. It truly makes an impressive centerpiece for any meal. You can gently remove the skin and bones yourself at the table for easier eating, or simply let your diners serve themselves, which is part of the fun. Finish it with a fresh sprinkle of herbs like chopped parsley or dill, and a final squeeze of bright lemon juice. This simple elegance truly elevates the dining experience, making it feel both special and effortlessly gourmet.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.